Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's tutorial is about this dramatic look. I was thinking to create this look from a long time and I'm glad I finally did it. Before going forward, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't and give me a thumbs up if you like it. I'm starting with my brows and I'm using Anastasia brow definer for that. I'm just following my brow line and I'm using really light hand to fill it. Anastasia brow definer is one of my favorite. And I'm using this from a long time and I'm really happy with this. I'm kind of person I like to stay with my favorite products and I don't like to change them often. I will definitely share with you guys my other favorite products. You guys are always welcome to ask me any question. You can leave your comment below and I will definitely answer that. I always like and appreciate your feedback. Please let me know what you're looking forward into my videos and share your favorite looks so I can recreate for you. I always appreciate your feedbacks. Last time I had a comment from someone and they said my videos are a little bit fast for them. So in this video I tried to slow it down a little bit so everyone understands it. Now my brows are almost done and I'm using Born This Way Too Faced Concealer as a base for my eyeshadow. I'm applying this with a flat brush all over my eyelids. I'm using MAC Studio Fix powder to powder my eyelids. You guys can also use any nude shade you have. I'm using Soft Glam palette to create this look. I'm taking this first light shade on my blending brush and I'm applying this shade in my outer corner and top of my crease line. Again, I'm using really soft hand to blend this color. Okay, now I'm taking this mulberry shade from this palette and I'm applying this only in my outer corner. And I'm applying this in a tap motion with my Morphe M456 brush. Now I'm taking tempera shade from my palette and I'm applying this on my eyelid. The key for eye makeup is take your time, don't rush. Try to blend each and every color with really soft hand and very nicely. I'm using lit eyeliner from Pink Orchid. I really like their eyeliner. It's actually really black. I know there are so many eyeliners out there, but sometimes they are not intense black. Vicente eyeliner is my other favorite, and if you're looking for gel eyeliner, just go for Inglot. Their eyeliner is best. I already moisturized my face and I'm going directly into my foundation, and I'm using my favorite MAC Studio Fix foundation in shade NC30. I'm applying it all over my face using my damp beauty blender. Now to highlight my face, I'm using Too Faced concealer and I'm applying this under my eyes, top of my nose, a little bit on my chin and on middle of my forehead. And for contouring, I'm using my Fenty Beauty stick. It's actually really nice and really easy to blend. Definitely recommend this to you guys. And now I'm blending it with my beauty blender. I'm using my MAC Studio Fix powder to powder my highlight zone. I'm also applying MAC Mineralized powder in shade medium under my eyes just to brighten up a little more. Now I'm using my Anastasia bronzer for my contouring zone. To bake my face, I'm using Huda Beauty loose powder in shade Banana Bread. Now I'm going back to my palette and I'm taking that mulberry shade again and I'm applying this underneath my lower lash line. I want to apply nude in my waterline, so I'm using MAC Paint Pot for that. Always make sure when you guys apply anything in your waterline, either it's nude or black, always do it 2-3 times so it stays there for a long time. I'm using Lancome mascara for my lashes today. Take your time to apply mascara and don't forget your lower lashes. And for blush, I'm using my Dior palette. This is my all-time favorite palette. At last, I'm just spraying Studio Fix Plus spray on my sponge and pressing it into my skin so it looks more natural and elegant. Okay, I'm ready for lipstick now. I'm using Anastasia lip palette for lipstick and I'm mixing color 2 and 5. I always like to mix some colors and make my own shade, and I think this is perfect shade I wanted for this look. Okay, now last step, I'm just going to add some highlights to my face and I'm using my Becca highlighter for that. I'm just applying this a little bit on my cheekbones and on my nose just to highlight them a little bit more. So this is my finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial today. I think this look is perfect for a nighttime event. The eyes are pretty dramatic and lips are really bold. I think it's pretty good. You guys can follow me on my Instagram. Links are provided below in my details. Thank you so much for watching, guys. See you in my next one. Bye bye.